Hey guys, today I'm showing you a super simple cam flash effect in Premiere Pro. First, prepare your two clips, and in between them we're going to insert screenshots. You can either use actual photos or just take screenshots directly from your footage. You'll need 3 screenshots, each 3 frames long. If you're taking screenshots from the video, just scrub to the moment you like, pause on a clean frame, and click the little camera icon at the bottom. If you don't see the camera icon, no worries, just click the small plus button on the right, a menu will pop up, find the camera tool, drag it down into your toolbar, and hit OK. Now click the camera icon and make sure you check Import into Project, so the screenshot appears right away in your project panel. Now drag your screenshot onto the timeline, count out 3 frames and trim off the rest. Place it right between your 2 clips. Repeat the same process 2 more times. You should end up with 3 screenshots total. I've already prepared mine so we don't waste time. Next, click on your first screenshot and add the black and white effect, then add the noise effect. Set amount of noise to 40% and uncheck Use Color Noise. After that, highlight both effects, copy them, select the remaining 2 screenshots, and simply paste. Next, go back to the beginning right between the first clip and the screenshot and add an adjustment layer. Click on New Item, choose Adjustment Layer, and drag it onto your timeline. Keep the playhead where it is, then count 2 frames backward and 2 frames forward. The adjustment layer will now be 4 frames long in total, and trim off everything else. Go to Effect Controls and change the blending mode from normal to linear dodge. This will make the flash effect blend nicely with the clips underneath. Now all you need to do is hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows and drag the adjustment layer to the end, placing it between the last screenshot and the second clip. And that's it for today. Super easy. You can use this effect anytime to add a quick, punchy flash to your edits, and it's even better with sound effects.